Do your contacts in ODOO look like this? Welcome back. If your contacts are a mess, boy do I have a video for you. You may feel like this problem is unavoidable, but you can fix this. Because contacts touch pretty much everything inside of ODOO, it's critical that we keep them clean. In this video, I'm going to show you a few easy ways that you can do that. To illustrate this, I'm going to show you two areas that cause the most problems. And for you critical thinkers out there, here's your quick would you rather. Would you rather be able to turn invisible or be able to teleport? Be sure to drop your answer in the comments below. Making a sales order, Jim Johnson, enter. Okay, yeah, now I'm good. No, you're not good. What you just saw happen is a classic example of what we call fat fingering. This happens when employees are in a rush, they go through, they type in the name, they think they've typed it correctly, press enter, and ODOO automatically creates a contact. We could tell our employees to slow down, and sure, that's probably a good suggestion, but there's another way that we can prevent this from happening. The real problem here is that we can create contacts on the fly. So we want to change this by going into Studio. Once we're in here, we can go to Customer, and you can see that we can come down here and say Disable Creation, and that will prevent us from creating customers on the fly. Let's close out of Studio and see this in action. Just doing me a sales order, coming in, and Jim Jones, try and get through that. Nope. Okay, well, I guess I'll slow down and select the right one here. So now we've prevented fat fingering, but what if somebody still thinks that the contact doesn't exist? They could very easily come into contacts, go and create a new one, and say Jim Johnson. Okay, and they're still not typing correctly. Hopefully they'll clean that up. But they save that. The problem is we already have Jimmy Johnson in here. This is where preventing duplicate contacts comes in. Now sure, we could put our ambulance at the bottom of the cliff if we want and just clean things up after the fact by coming in and using ODOO's data cleaning functionality. But I'd prefer not to have to do the cleanup in the first place. That's where this cool little free app that I'll put the link to in the description helps us out. We can set any field on contacts as a unique field. For example, if we set email as a unique field, it's going to pop up a warning if another contact already has the email we're trying to assign to this contact. Some of my preferred fields to use here are email, tax ID, and phone number, but I'm sure you can think of some others for your company. And for those of you on odoo.com that can't use third-party apps, if you want me to show you how to do this through an automated action, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. But that's it for this video, friends. If you implement both of these solutions, your contacts are going to stay a lot cleaner. As always, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you again soon. Oh, and I'd go with teleport.